Today I'm making Moo Shu chicken in the Instant Pot. This is what's needed. 1 pound of boneless chicken breasts cut into strips. You can also use pork or beef. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1 large yellow onion sliced into strips. 1 14 to 16 ounce bag of the Cabbage coleslaw mix. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1/4 cup chicken broth. Mine is homemade. 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. 1 bunch of scallions sliced. I didn't have any, so I'm using dried chives. 1/3 cup of hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch plus 2 tablespoons of water for slurry. 1 bag of flour tortillas or Chinese rice pancakes. I'm using low-carb wraps for additional fiber and protein. You need to place the silver liner inside the Instant Pot, press saute, and saute the oil, onion, and chicken for about 5 minutes to partially cook. Then add the coleslaw cabbage mix, the garlic, the chicken broth, and the soy sauce, and mix well. Then press the off or cancel button. After adding the silicone seal to the lid, place the lid on the Instant Pot and secure it. Make sure that the lid is sealed. Then pressure cook on high for 3 minutes. When the time is up, carefully quick release the pressure. While waiting for the pot to fully release the pressure, make the cornstarch slurry. When the pot has fully released pressure, remove the lid and press the off cancel button. Press saute and add the hoisin sauce, scallions, and the slurry. Mix together and simmer for 2 minutes so the sauce thickens. Then serve with rice or in the tortillas and top with additional hoisin sauce if desired.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.